No. No, no. No.
Can we watch TV in peace? Can we watch TV, please, please? Like, what the fuck?
I can't even. Who is she? That fucking I swear to God, if you fart here, what are we doing?
Quit! Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
It's a nice thing to do. If you pull the seat out, right?
These dogs have no clue what personal space is. Do you? No, you don't.
My dog is literally like level 10 cleaning it. What are you doing?